Video 2, Formatting a Microsoft Word document. Hi guys, it's Jen again, and I'm going to show you how to use the header and footer, insert some page numbers, and insert some page breaks. I'm going to show you first how to get in and out of the header and footer and insert some text. So the header and footer can be accessed in a few different ways. The first is to click on the Insert tab, go over to Header, and scroll down and click Edit Header. Now you'll notice a few changes. When I'm inside the header or the footer, which opens up at the same time, there will be a dotted line to mark the edge of the header or footer. The header and footer tools will appear up here. This is a contextual tab which only shows up when I'm in the header and footer. And the document text, the body text, will be faded. Now I can get out of it again by closing the header and footer here. And I can also get in and out by doing a quick double click at the very top or the very bottom of my page like this. Now I want to insert my last name in the corner, so I'm going to go ahead and align this to the right and type in my last name. Now I'd like to add a page number right next to my last name, which is standard for MLA formatting. First I need to insert a space, so I'll go ahead and press the space bar once. And then I'm going to head over in my header and footer tools over to the header and footer group. And notice the page number menu can be opened up here. I could select all these different options, top of the page, bottom, etc. I want it at my current position because I made sure to click the space bar and then leave my insertion point right there. And for MLA formatting, I want to choose plain number. Now I want to also make sure that this is in 12 point Times New Roman because that's required. So I'm going to go ahead and make it 12 point and make it Times New Roman. And now I can exit my header and footer again by clicking on the red X or by double clicking in the body text. Now I'm going to insert a page break so that when I insert my works cited page, it will appear on its own separate page, which is standard for MLA and APA papers. So I want to make sure that even if I add information onto these pages, that my works cited list will be on a separate page. So you'll want to be with your non-printing characters on so that you'll be able to see the symbol for the page break. And there are a few ways to add in page breaks. The first one I can do is I can click on breaks and click on page. I can also go to insert, go to the pages group and select page break. Or I can also click on the control key and then press enter. Those are three different ways. You'll notice now that if I scroll up that you can see the symbol for the page break. If I shut off my non-printing characters, nothing appears. So I can see where my page break appears, and I can go down to my next page and I could type in works cited and center it and be prepared to insert my works cited list later. And now if I keep on typing, you'll see that my works cited list will still end up on its own page. It will hold its place.